Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the new session of the HIM tutorials, 4th chapter, that is heat and temperature we are doing, and the topic temperature is going on. In our previous video we have learned that how we can convert one scale into the another. Also we have learned about the three types of scale, that is Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and the Kelvin scale. Today I am going to tell you about that how different type of thermometers will work and how many type of thermometers are there. So thermometer is used to find out the temperature of the different things. Different thermometers are used. For example, for food we can use the find out the temperature of food, we can use different. For air we can use different thermometer. For the human body we can use thermometer. So on the basis of the substances, that what kind of substance is present in the thermometer to show the degree of hotness and coldness, on that basis we categorize the thermometers into two main types, that is, so on the basis of type of substance present, thermometer is divided into two types. First is mercury thermometer, and second one is alcohol thermometer. So first we will discuss about the mercury thermometer. Mercury thermometer was invented in 1714 by Gabriel Fahrenheit. He used mercury to find out the degree of hotness and coldness because this mercury is of silver grey color, and due to this color we can easily find out the readings on the thermometer. Okay, this mercury temperature, or you can say mercury thermometer, is used worldwide. It is used most commonly worldwide. Okay, it has wide range of temperature, that is from minus 38.9 degrees Celsius to 356.7 degrees Celsius. Now this is the freezing point and this is the boiling point. It has uniform range for expansion and contraction, and the most important point that it does not stick to the walls of the glass. So if it does not stick with the walls of glass, it is easy for us to use the thermometer again and again. So this is all about the mercury thermometer, and now we will discuss about the second thermometer, that is alcohol thermometer. So there is one question that if mercury thermometers are used most commonly, then why there is need of making this alcohol thermometer? So the answer to this question is that this alcohol thermometer is used in those areas which experiences always cold condition throughout the year, because in many negative degrees of coldness, even up to minus, or you can say even beyond the 38.9 degrees Celsius, then this mercury thermometer will not work. So this alcohol has more negative degrees of coldness. It has the capacity to withstand in more negative degrees of coldness. So that's why this alcohol thermometer is used in those places which experiences cold weather throughout the and very severe cold weather throughout the year. Okay. So the main points in this alcohol thermometer, if we discuss, that first and foremost an important thing that it is non-toxic. Because to find out temperature, we put the thermometer in mouth. So it is always a risk and danger to the life when we put mercury thermometer in our mouth. So this alcohol is non-toxic, first of all. Second, it utilizes the expansion and contraction. The most common alcohol, there are a number of alcohols which are used in different type of thermometers, but the most common alcohol which is used is ethanol. Now, what is the range of temperature in this alcohol thermometers? In alcohol thermometers, it can range from 115 degree, minus 115 degrees Celsius to 78 degree Celsius. This is the freezing point. And this is the boiling point. So this is all about the alcohol thermometer, and 3 more thermometers are there. They are clinical thermometer, then your laboratory thermometer, and next and the last one is the digital thermometer. So this is all about the today's session, and let's recap very quickly that which we have learned today. We have learned that there are 2 types of thermometer on the basis of substances which are present in them. As in mercury thermometer, mercury is present, and in alcohol thermometer, alcohol is present. They both have wide and different range of temperature of freezing point and boiling point, and 3 more temperatures thermometers are there, that is clinical, laboratory and digital thermometers. In our coming sessions, in our coming videos, we will learn about them also. So up to our next video, keep watching, keep learning, and stay home, because staying home is very safe. Okay, thank you.